hurricane season, things have been very slow going, which of course no one's going to complain about that, but may I remind you that peak season is going into mid-September, so something we may be talking a little bit more about over the next couple weeks as that becomes a little more active down into the tropics. But it hasn't been so tropical down into the parts of the Atlantic, into the Caribbean, and it hasn't been really feeling that tropical here in Columbus, which has been good news. The humidity has been down for us today, and we're off to another gorgeous start. Some of us, some fog out there. It looks like Cambridge might be a bit on the foggy side, but a lot of us waking up to mostly sunny skies out there. That sunrise coming our way in the next half hour. You can see some of that fog far out to the east, but for the most part, again, very patchy for us today, and that's pretty much what we'll be dealing with for the next hour or so before things really clear up. And looking again at just how temperatures are faring up compared to yesterday at this time, we're anywhere from 5 to 7 degrees cooler across much of the state, so we are looking at a big cool down compared to yesterday. A lot of that has to do with the fact that those dew points have been dropping since dry air has been building in, so we're able to see those air temperatures in the 50s this morning. It's currently 57 in Zanesville, 56 in Cambridge, 55 up in Mount Vernon, 58 here in Columbus, 54 in Delaware and Marysville. So some pretty cool spots out on the map. Also sitting at 54 in Lancaster, 55 in Chillicothe, and 59 in Piketon. So we are going to be talking about a refreshing start to the day, but we are going to be looking at more summer heat returning as we head into the weekend. We're looking at highs at around 88 degrees, feeling like it's in the 90s as we head into your Sunday. So enjoy the cooler weather for us this morning because it's not going to be lasting all week long, and it looks like those highs will maybe even be in the mid to upper 80s across parts of central Ohio by the end of the work week. So the good news is we're off to a dry start. We're going to continue to see mostly sunny skies heading into the day today. Temperatures around 7 o'clock will start to climb into the 60s. By the mid-morning hours, here we are at 10 o'clock. You can see we're starting to climb into the 70s for us. By around 12, we're going to see those temps right around 80 degrees. So it is going to be fairly similar as far as our afternoon temperatures were yesterday, except I think it won't feel as humid, especially as we head into the evening hours. Temperatures will hang out in the low 80s for us. We'll see a high right around 84 here in Columbus, and then falling into the 60s and 70s, low 70s rather, as we head into the early part of the night. Shortly thereafter, we'll be in the 60s, and we'll fall to 62, so not nearly as cool, but still pretty pleasant for us as you head out the door tomorrow for your Thursday, and a couple degrees warmer heading into your Thursday afternoon, 82 by 12 o'clock, with a high closer to 86 degrees for us. So we are going to see those temperatures in the mid-80s to wrap up the work week, and then a little bit cooler to start the weekend, just in time for WagFest on Saturday. That'll be great to see, and then heating up quite a bit by Sunday, 88, 87 for us on Monday. And again, we're going to talk about chances for rain going into next week, but also we've been talking about the chance for a few showers heading into the day on Friday. Here we are going into your Thursday night, looking at your hour by hour. Now that we're within, a 72-hour time frame, we can start to see what some of these high-resolution models are starting to pick up. And again, still looking at the potential for a few showers, mainly heading into the day on Friday. Looks like it could be a very dry start to the day, but we will see the chance for a few showers as we head into the afternoon. That's then going to continue to move eastward as we head into the evening, where it looks like we could still see a few showers here and there as we head into the early part of your Friday night. So something to keep an eye out for all those Friday night light forecasts. And again, it looks like things will be drying out going into your Friday night. So hopefully we'll continue to see those showers push out to the east as we head into the early part of the evening. Otherwise, a dry start to your weekend on Saturday. Mostly sunny skies, highs near 90 degrees on Sunday. Another hot one for us on Monday with a chance for some showers and storms. More widespread showers and storms going into the day on Tuesday, and then drying out into the midweekend, cooling off quite a bit with temperatures down into the 70s for your Thursday and Friday.